As a core load-bearing component of heavy machinery such as rotary drill rigs, the welding quality of the Mast Intermediate Section directly affects the safety and service life of the equipment. STUAA's turnkey fully automated production line integrates FANYC and CLUE's welding robots, RGV automated material handling, and ERP or MES systems to achieve end-to-end automation from plate assembly to finished product. Welding robots work in tandem with automated fixtures to perform precise pick-and-place, clamping, and tack welding, all without human intervention. Workpieces conveyed to the mast guide rails area are welded by a robot, and after welding, they are automatically transported to the next station. The central control system orchestrates real-time scheduling across multiple zones, enabling seamless connection and coordinated operation. This significantly shortens cycle times and eliminates safety hazards associated with manual lifting and handling. Completed sub-assemblies are automatically transferred by RGV shuttles. In the inner weld seam welding area, the arc welding robot works with corresponding positioners to perform welding of inner seams in confined spaces. In the outer weld seam welding area, continuous welding of long straight seams is completed. The welding quality is highly consistent across different batches, laying a solid foundation for subsequent processing. Finally, the workpieces must go through the laser inspection and correction station. Those that pass the inspection will be transported by the RGV and taken offline. STUAA, delivering the ultimate welding solution for global leaders. We don't just sell robots. We guarantee weld integrity.